Jesus Savage, we're here and we are going, remember the video that I posted a little bit ago, earlier today? Get ready for tonight. Well, it is tonight. I don't know why I put get ready because it's not going to be all that good. It's just going to be a tryout little firework thing. And then on July 3rd, I'm going to do a video of get ready. July 4th, I'm going to do a video of getting ready for tonight. Because darn, it is gonna get good.
Lit. It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit. And we're gonna light off a bunch of fireworks. Okay. So sit on. Let's see Brinkley real quick. How you doing? Hi. Hi, how are you? Alright.
So now you walk the whole video like
basically that. And these spin.
We need to make some guidelines for this video.
No, that's not. No, it doesn't make people busy actually because this is what vlogs do. People.
Well, why don't you start your?
I'm not a cameraman. So are we gonna do it in the road or? It's getting dark out. Look at those clouds. It's like straight up blue. Okay. Does it work?
It works. Are you ready?
Yeah, of course. Fire! Go quick, go quick, go quick! Go, go, go. Woo! That is awesome! Look at that! It is spinning! That is awesome! That is so epic.
That's not bad. It's still good.
That is epic.
Round one. Check.
That was pretty cool.
Dude, that was sick.
All I did was melt the tape to it.
That was crazy.
So are we going to be ordering some backup fidget spinners?
Well, we already have another one made for it, but we can just use this one again.
Yeah, that one's
I
perfect.
think you want to do a line of it and just oh, you gotta. It's hard to light.
Dude, that was sick.
That was awesome. Before they start.
That was way more successful than the truck.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be really bad and it wouldn't even spin.
The next truck is gonna be awesome. I've got this truck thing figured out.
Alright, so I'm going to start looking for some cheese.
Truck thing.
And don't forget about a dust ruffle. Duvet.
That's not.
How do they call it? Duvet.
No, duvet goes over a comforter, a dust ruffle.
Dust
So,
ruffle.
I'm gonna end my video here.
Okay.
Just like, subscribe. How about this? This is a challenge for you guys, okay? If we can get this video to 7 likes, if we can get this video to 7 likes, then I will record the whole July 4th party for you guys. Alright, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Yeet!